Side by side with residents from across the Cape Flats, religious leaders say they're determined to work together to tackle the scourge of gangsterism and violence. The service marking their commitment to united action for a safe and secure environment. A mother from Hanover Park, whose son was killed because he refused to join a gang, says support is key.
For me, it's important that faith leaders, they're getting together so that we can create more spaces for mothers to tell these kind of stories.
I'm still teaching my family to forgive people, and it's not easy to forgive one that murders your son or your daughter.
Faith leaders feel there's a need for more collaboration with communities.
If we are not moved by over 2,000 people, innocent human beings having lost their lives and continuing to lose their lives every day. Just yesterday, a 6-7-year-old little baby was shot through the head in Lavender Hill. Then what kind of a faith do we have?
The gangsters must know the people they are attacking, the people they are selling drugs to, the women and the girls that they are raping, the children they are preventing from going to school. They're all doing that to their own people. These are their families.
An interfaith declaration was also adopted during the event. Vanessa Poonah, SABC News, Athlone.